So guys, for the first method, you want to go to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to expand network adapters. Now you want to find your network adapter. For you, it might be saying Realtek PCIe GBE family controller. Now once you find that, or just your main network adapter, you want to right click on it and then click on uninstall device. And then click on uninstall. If it's still showing after you uninstalled it, then you want to right click on it again and then click on uninstall device. And then click on uninstall. And now once it's disappeared, now you want to click on action and then click on scan for hardware changes. It's now going to appear again. There might be a yellow sign right here, just wait for this to load. It should automatically refresh and the yellow sign should now go. Now once you do all of that, this should fix your problem. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you want to go to search and type in network reset. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on reset now and then click on yes. It's now going to restart your computer in 5 minutes, or you could just do it yourself right now. And this should now fix your problem.